Well, it depends on the purpose for the testing. If you need your test results to be compliant with the Consumer Chemicals and Containers Regulations 2001, or CCCR, then you need to use the test method that the regulation itself prescribes. In other words, if the flashpoint result is being used to determine your product's flammability for a CCCR compliant label, the regulation prescribes the exact method that Health Canada expects you to use. In the CCCR, you'll see that the flashpoint method to be used in testing liquid products is determined by the viscosity of the liquid. Samples with a viscosity less than 5.8 millimeters squared per second at 37.8 degrees Celsius are tested with ASTM D56, and liquids with a viscosity of 5.8 millimeters per second squared or more at 37.8 degrees Celsius are tested with ASTM D93. The flashpoint of solids, pastes, or gels is determined using ASTM D56. If you need your test results to classify your product for a GHS-compliant SDS, that's Safety Data Sheet label, both methods could be used. The only difference between the methods is that the ASTM D93 apparatus, which is the Penske Martin's closed cup tester, applies a mixing motion to the sample during heating, and therefore the flashpoint determination is more accurate for a high viscosity product. Now, what if you don't know the viscosity of your liquid product? A viscosity test will need to be done to determine the product's viscosity for CCCR compliance. At Dell Tech, we perform viscosity testing to ensure that the correct flashpoint method is chosen for this purpose. What if you don't need your flashpoint data to be compliant with CCCR or GHS? Sometimes a company may wish to test a flashpoint of their product purely for quality control comparison testing. Perhaps they had their product tested with a particular method in the past and would like to use that method again, even if it is not compliant with CCCR or GHS. In this case, it is fine for the company to request the non-compliant method for such a purpose, but the results may not be applicable for the product intended for Canada consumers, CCCR, or workplace, GHS. Dell Tech is an ISO 17025 accredited lab that offers viscosity included with flashpoint testing as part of determining your product's flammability. Our experts can help you determine which test is the appropriate one for your company. Contact us today.